Hi friends, this video shows how to install Google Chrome browser in this Google TV. So first we need to install one web browser. So in this TV I already installed one web browser called GeoPages. You can install any browser. Then open the browser, then go to tv.aptoide.com, then download and install this Aptoide TV app. See, I already installed this Aptoide TV app. Let me open this app. Okay, so now we are seeing Aptoide TV app. So in this app we can search for Chrome. Okay, then search. So here you can see Google Chrome. Select it. So here you can see its size is 42 MB, around 2 million downloads. Okay, it's already installed in this TV. Okay, let me uninstall. Select uninstall, then okay, uninstall. Now we can see this install option. Select install. Now it's downloading. Okay, done. Then go to settings, select settings. So here we need to enable this install unknown apps permission for Aptoide. Enable it, then select install. Now it's installing Google Chrome browser. Okay, done. Installation completed. So let me open. Select open. Done. So this way we can easily install Google Chrome browser. See, after installation it's not listing that, it's not showing that Google Chrome app in this apps list. So now the question would be how we will open it. Okay, so we can go to settings, then apps, then go to or see all apps. Here we can see Chrome. Select it. Here we can see open. From here we can open. See,